very good afternoon to one and all present here. Our chief guest for this prestigious Lexicon Bharat Leadership Award, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, the Chairman of the Lexicon Schools and Colleges of the Trust, Mr. S.D. Sharma, Mr. Pankaj Sharma, the President of the Trust, dignitaries on the dais, trustees, Mrs. Monisha Sharma, Mrs. Dipti Sharma, friends, family, ladies and gentlemen. Sir is here. I mean, जितना मैं बात करूं सर के बारे में, कोश्यारी सर के बारे में उतना कम होगा, because you know, whenever I've met him, whenever I've met sir, it has been immense pleasure and it has been immense learning. जब भी उनको मिला हूं, उनसे कुछ सीखने को मिला है. You've already heard about him. You know, he's a multifaceted personality. He's a teacher. He's a leader, and who other than him could have been better to be a part, to lead this conclave and this, the event of the Lexicon Bharat Leadership Award. इतना ही कहूँगा कि सर आपको जितनी बार मिला हूँ, मिलके मजा आ गया. I will also take this opportunity, which I don't want to forget. I want to take this opportunity to wish our trustee, Mrs. Dipti Sharma, a very happy birthday. Dipti happens to be my wife. Sorry, I stand corrected. I happen to be her husband. You know, अच्छे दिन मेरे भी थे. उन दिनों की बात बताता हूँ जब हमारी नई शादी हुई, और जब भी मैं दीप्ति को फोन करता था तो उसके मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे मेरा नाम अपीयर होता था एज जानू. कुछ समय बीता तो अब दीप्ति के मोबाइल पर मेरा नाम दिखने लगा एज स्वीट हार्ट. कुछ और समय बीता और अब दीप्ति के मोबाइल पे जब मैं फोन करता था तो दिखता था हिटलर. कुछ और समय बीता, मेरे अच्छे दिन कुछ खत्म होते दिखे मुझे. कुछ और समय बीता और अब जब मैं फोन करता हूं तो आता है रॉन्ग नंबर. दिस मैन डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट एनीमोर. बट so she's been there supporting the family, being the the wind under my wings. Fantastic, and I congratulate Dipti again and wish you again a very happy birthday. Let's start from where it starts. In our schools and colleges, what we do today, because I am of the firm belief, and why only me? The entire Lexicon group of institutes is of the firm belief that organizations, institutions are not made because of Italian marble, false ceiling, air conditioners, but it is only made because of people who contribute. It is only made because of students who pass out. It is only made because of the students who come back after passing out. And these students, when they say that we are what we are because of what you taught us, I mean, that's the biggest award that any institution, any organization can ever get. This only comes from our teachers, our principals, our coordinators, and our entire family of Lexicon that puts in their heart and soul to ensure that our children in our schools are doing extremely well and come out to be true leaders. It is not possible without you teachers and without each one of you who's contributing to change these lives that come to our schools and colleges. No, our institution which imparts the management education, is also called Lexicon Management Institute of Leadership and Excellence. And this leaders, so we have a unique program where I would also like to thank our chairs. So our chairs are basically a program where, there is a research chair that we have. So we have a lot of NGOs who are a part of the chair, a lot of corporates who are the part of the chair. So what our students and our faculty do for these chairs is, we give them a lot of research program, we do a lot of development, training and development for a lot of NGOs, a lot of corporates, a lot of, so we've also done training for the police department, we've done training for people in Mantralaya, and this is what, our training department does. So this is a part of the Lexicon Management Institute for Leadership and Excellence, which is headed by none other than our very own CEO, Mr. Nasir Sheikh, who's doing a fantastic job. Again, when I'm naming all my teachers, all my principals, all my coordinators, Nasir sir, very good job, keep it up, fantastic. It's very important. I once went to a class and I was asking the students as to, what's a leader? So we are all here to, appreciate the leader. So I went to my classroom once and I asked, what's a leader? So everybody, some said that a leader is a person who's very good, who's, different, who's X, who's Y, and many answers I got. But believe me, what I feel of a leader, I may be right, I may be wrong, I'm not the authority, but I feel a leader is a person, which I also told my, I told my students, I said a leader is a person that leads with examples. It's very difficult, ladies and gentlemen, it's very difficult to be a leader. Because once you're a leader, you're not only working for others, but please let's not forget that we are working first for ourselves, to evolve ourselves, to make ourselves better, so that we can train, teach and guide others. It's a very difficult role to do. And that's what I told my students. I said a leader is a person that leads with examples. I remember a time, in fact I'll give you this small, thing that happened with me. When I just started working, so I started working very early in life when I was just about 18 or 19 years old, and I started working for my father. And a couple of days in the office, one of the person who was working as the general manager in the organization, so this was an organization that we were dealing into our publication, our books business that we were into. So the general manager walks into my cabin and he comes and tells me that, sir, there is a problem. And so there is some problem in some institution where we've supplied some books, a consignment of books, and the wrong consignment has gone, and there is a flare-up in the institute over there, and they want to discontinue relations with us. And how do we take it forward? So I said, okay, that's no problem. Let me try. Let me just go and speak to them. And I went there myself to that institution. I went and spoke to the authorities over there and resolved the problem. That's not the end. But when I resolved the problem, came back to my office, I realized that this was a problem that was being created and which actually wasn't a problem, where this general manager of my organization wanted to check whether I'm capable of really solving this issue, or it was because I was only there because it was my father's business and he has put me over there and to take things forward. So the fact remains that, you will be tested. You will be tested every now and then. Are you evolved enough? Are you working on yourself? Because people will test you. People will not take you just by the face value. People will not just take you by the chair that you're sitting in. People are going to test you. The world is going to test you. And if you are really ready, if you've really worked on yourself, that is the only time you'll be able to deliver. And that is the only time that you will be able to lead, and that is the only time that you will be called a true leader. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, we have such people sitting in front of us today. We have these people who are the awardees of the Lexican Bharat Leadership Award. I can vouch for it that they are people who take decisions, and when they take decisions, I'm repeating, when they take decisions, they understand that their one decision is going to change and is going to affect hundreds of lives. When they take a decision, when they're doing something, I can vouch for it that they are not doing this because of money. I can vouch for it, they are doing whatever they are doing because every day they are talking to themselves and asking themselves, are we improving? Are we learning? I can vouch for it that they are working towards the service of the nation, towards the service of the society, and I can vouch for it. These awardees today who are going to be awarded, I congratulate each one of you, sir and ma'ams, for doing what you have done for all of us, for the community, for the society, and for the country. Can we hear it for all of them, please? Last but not the least, very quickly, for all the support that we've got from all of you, आप लोगों के लिए, पूरे परिवार के लिए, because जो यहाँ बैठा है मैं उसको अपना परिवार मानता हूँ, और आप सब परिवार वासियों के लिए मैं एक सिर्फ कहना चाहता हूँ, and with this I will end, कि तेरा हाथ हाथ में हो अगर, तेरा हाथ हाथ में हो अगर, तो सफर ही असले हयात है, हमारी हर कदम पे है मंजिले, आपका प्यार घर हमारे साथ है. Thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.